Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get player from the Champions League reward. So for example, tap the Champions League event first and tap the rewards. You can get this UCL token. If you do and if you be a champion, you can get this for the first time 120 and then for basic 30 and so on. And also this legendary you can get 600 UCL token, so you can exchange your UCL token. Let's get back to the store, tap the store and tap to the live events. This one UCL tournament player, tap it. You can get this legendary player here, or you can get flop or shaft, get a 60 of your best hero or icon player by only 100 UCL token, and this can be earned in UCL tournament. So the possible reward is quite low rates in this banner or in this pack. Maybe you can get luck, get this Ronaldo or Zidane just playing this UCL tournament live event more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click that button below. Enjoy the game.